In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal on Gumroad. Whether you're a returning user or exploring the platform for the very first time, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Gumroad account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, the central hub where you manage your account, products, and transactions. From here, locate the settings option. It might appear as a gear icon or simply be labeled settings. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the settings, you will find several tabs that let you control different aspects of your account. The one we are interested in today is payments. Click on payments to access your payment setup options. Here Gumroad typically provides a few different payment methods like credit card or bank transfer. But since we're focusing on PayPal, go ahead and select the PayPal option. Once selected, you will be prompted to enter your PayPal details, specifically your PayPal email address. Take a moment to double check your input here. Even a small typo could cause issues when making or receiving payments. After confirming your email and saving the changes, your PayPal account is now successfully linked to Gumroad. From this point forward, you can easily make purchases or receive payments using PayPal, one of the most secure and convenient payment methods available worldwide. And that's it. You've just connected PayPal to your Gumroad account. It's a simple process that adds more flexibility and peace of mind to your buying or selling experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.